From a cloud of toxic dust that blocked this major highway, and a driver in eastern China who was speeding down this cliffside road, to a gas explosion in Taiwan that obliterated a high-rise mall food court, and a road rage driver in New Jersey who was met with instant karma. Here are the most extreme moments caught on Dashcam. Everybody loves a good dose of instant karma. The only thing better is when you capture it on camera. This driver on the Palisades Parkway in New Jersey was in for a real treat when an aggressive road rager got what was coming to them. He decided to film the driver while also providing color commentary.
Almost crashed into Uncle Walnut. Do something stupid, come on.
Exit right to exit 4.
Okay, let's see. Give it a try.
Then
Oh,
keep
maybe
left
not.
to US 9W1.
What are you going to do, idiot?
Keep left to US 9W1.
Okay, now we have
US
brake check.
9W1.
Okay, what you think? What you doing? Hi, what you? What you doing? Oh, yes.
Oh,
yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Very
you
nice.
Suck.
Yeah, you suck. Yeah.
Thankfully, the driver was okay and walked away from the crash in one piece. According to our cameraman, he only started filming when he saw on Waze that there was a cop stationed up ahead. He only wanted to film the driver getting pulled over in real time. After the crash, our cameraman raced ahead and alerted the officer. Now let's watch that again in slow motion. The Accord driver thought that they could shoot this tiny gap, but that's when the white truck finally decided to speed up. They cut the Accord off, causing it to spin out and slam into the cliff. While the Accord was driving like a madman, the pickup driver wasn't totally innocent. In these situations, defensive driving is always the better option. Move over and let the speed demon pass you. They'll eventually get what's coming to them. Hangzhou, China is the capital city of Zhejiang province. It's home to about 12 million people, including one dad who should probably go back to driver's ed. It was January 2nd of 2022. A few motorcycles were out for an afternoon ride when a dark-colored car passed them at a high rate of speed. Unfortunately, the driver misjudged the upcoming turn and wound up going for a wild ride. The driver passes our bikers on the left, but can't brake or turn in time on the winding road. On their way down, they smash through the guardrail and take out a power pole. Let's see that crash again from our lead biker's perspective. Thankfully, the driver and his 3 kids did not plummet off a 1,000-foot cliff. The fall was only 15 feet, and the only injury was a tiny cut on someone's hand. Hopefully, Dad learned his lesson and will slow down next time. He's also praying that Mom doesn't see this video. All it takes is one mindless driver to ruin everybody's day. On October 5th of 2023, commuters in Liuliang, China were stuck in traffic when a chemical tanker raced onto the highway, clipped the guardrail, and flipped over. It would have been a run-of-the-mill crash if not for the toxic yellow powder the tank was carrying. Chinese media claimed the yellow dust was a chemical called AC. We believe they're referring to azodicarbonamide, a yellow chemical blowing agent commonly called the yoga mat chemical for its widespread use in foamed plastics. According to the World Health Organization, raw AC exposure can trigger respiratory issues, allergies, and asthma. Thankfully, nobody was exposed enough to cause any lingering side effects that day. As for our driver, police claimed he walked away from the accident, likely with a few minor injuries. Taichung City is the second largest city in Taiwan. It's home to about 2.8 million people and serves as the economic center of the local metro area. The Shinkong Mitsukoshi shopping mall is among the city's biggest financial players. On February 13th of 2025, around 11:33 a.m., a gas leak inside the mall reached the 12th floor food court. Drivers down the street didn't know what was happening when an explosion rocked the area and debris began raining on their cars.
太夸张了！天哪！
这首 Always 会让人想起2003年，如果你有看过电影《王牌天使》的话，
太扯了吧！
金凯瑞意识到自己
好可怕哦！
Sadly, at least 4 people perished and dozens more were injured during the blast. It occurred during lunchtime, meaning the food court was packed with hungry shoppers. According to reports, part of the mall was undergoing renovations. Early investigations suggest that one of the workers accidentally ruptured a gas line. The slow leak filled the food court over time, and the smells from the restaurants likely blocked that of the gas. From there, all it took was an ignition source. It was March 29th of 2020. Emma was behind the wheel of a runaway car on Interstate 77 in Cambridge, Ohio. She called the sheriff's office in tears, screaming that her brakes had failed and her car wouldn't slow down. Thankfully, police caught up and kept other drivers away from Emma while dispatch taught her a valuable lesson about her emergency brake.
She's all the way over on the right-hand side. She can't get slowed down. She almost got me. She can't get slowed down.
Her emergency brake's gonna walk up the back wheels, so I'm not sure she's gonna be able to control that slide.
Emma, this is Becky. I need you to listen to me right now, okay? Okay. She's tapping her brakes, it won't do anything. All right, now I want you to take a hold of your emergency brake. Do you hear me? Emma, this is Becky. All right, take a hold of your emergency brake and just gradually pull that a little bit and see if it slows you down at all. Emma, does it slow you down at all?
Yeah.
It does? Okay, the emergency brake does slow her down some.
Okay, Zach, we got her stopped. Yeah.
When Emma finally stopped, police rushed to see if she was okay. Luckily, she was, and nobody was hurt when her car developed a mind of its own. Unless you're driving a classic car, your vehicle should have a dual braking system, one for the front and one for the back. Both would have to fail for you to be out of control. However, one failing is enough to make you feel like you have no brakes. Simply try braking again with strong, consistent pressure on the pedal. If that doesn't work, carefully employ the emergency brake system. This is separate from the hydraulic brake system, and while it will take longer, it will eventually slow down your car. February 24th of 2025 began as a typical day in Qingdao, China. A taxi driver had just picked up 2 riders when suddenly something smelled like it was burning inside the car. Then, all 3 heard the same crackling noise followed by smoke in the front engine. The driver told his passengers to get out. Then, moments later, this happened. If we slow it down right here, you can see how the explosion was powerful enough to blow the taxi's rear doors off. Debris flew in every direction, with some landing on our dashcam driver's car. He stepped out to inspect the damage while our dazed taxi driver tried to figure out what was happening. Little did he know that the worst was yet to come. The fire damaged the car so severely that investigators couldn't determine what caused the explosion. It looks like a gas leak, but we have no idea how the inside of the taxi could have filled with flammable gas. According to one Chinese report, the taxi had been modified to run on natural gas instead of gasoline. Thankfully, the driver was okay and nobody was hurt by the blast or falling debris. Atlantic, Iowa is a small city in Cass County. It's home to about 7,000 people, including one man who will think twice before driving through dangerous weather again. On April 13th of 2018, a local man was out for a drive when ominous clouds and walls of dust appeared on the horizon. While it wasn't a tornado, the winds were still strong enough to pelt his car with tiny debris fragments.
Oh.
Thankfully, our driver escaped unharmed and without any significant damage to his car. He remembers feeling intimidated as he couldn't tell what was lurking behind the dust clouds. This event may have been part of the April 2018 North American storm complex, which produced 73 tornadoes in the Midwest and brought blizzard conditions to the north and northeast. Anything can happen at any time. Just ask these locals in Hangzhou, China, who found themselves covered in a thick coat of cement dust while out for a morning stroll. It was January 6th of 2025. A truck was pumping cement into a storage silo when pressure began building at the top. The top started to crack, and before anybody could stop it, the entire block was covered in a thick cloud of cement. One driver was lucky enough to capture the initial explosion on his dashcam.
我靠，这情况！抬个头！我操！你没看到他刚刚那个样子吗？
你这个行车记录仪吗？
有啊。 你可以把这个行车记录仪搞出来，然后。
Imagine trying to get this out of your hair.
我操，看不见了。等它上一点吧。
是不是哪个车倒了，还是哪个车撞了？我操！
对。
不知道，好像是水泥罐子掉下来了。
李宁，你看门口有个水泥罐车，一下子爆炸了，我们这里全部那都是灰呀、就刚刚正在跟你聊天的时候，你看。你看他们人，地上全是水泥啊什么的，你看。呀，外面你看这灰，你看这灰，你看看，你看那水果店的水果。
While nobody was injured during the blast, the cement cloud caused devastating losses for the owner of a local fruit stand. His entire stock was covered in cement dust, rendering it unsellable. Hopefully, he obtained some type of compensation from the construction company. August 30th of 2023 began as an average day in Bangkok. The capital city was alive with pedestrians, commuters, and scooter riders. Then, a loud bang suddenly stole all of their attention. Lucky for us, one driver had their dashcam rolling when an electrical transformer exploded without warning.
เฮ้ยดูมาก
ช่วยอย่าเพิ่งช่วยอย่าเพิ่งช่วยอย่าเพิ่ง
ออกขวาก่อนนะเดี๋ยวกดอ่านได้ฟังเหนื่อยโอ้อะไรกูร้อนเลยอ่ะไม่ใช่กูรู้สึกเองมันกำแน่นเมื่อกี้
มันจะระเบิดตรงหม้อแปลงเนี่ยถามจริงเลยกันไม่กลัวเหรออันนี้ลง
เดี๋ยวตัวลายได้ป่ะ
According to police, 4 people were wounded when the transformer exploded. One man, a local motorcycle taxi driver, was parked directly below the blast. He was rushed to a nearby hospital to treat burns on his face and body. 3 other pedestrians suffered similar injuries. Unfortunately, accidents like these are common in Thailand, which is known for having some of the most dangerous roads in the world. Many blame the epidemic on a chronic underinvestment in infrastructure. This faulty and potentially deadly transformer is just one example. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more just like it, be sure to click the link on screen now. With that, thank you all for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one.